very special day for me because I'm going to show you something very iconic. I personally would invest my money in something so beautiful. I'm showing you a 2-bedroom fully furnished apartment in the most iconic tower of Dubai, Burj Khalifa. Come, let's have a room tour. So once you enter, you have this beautiful powder room and a storage space or a laundry space. You enter, you have this utility area and a corridor which is beautifully crafted. You see these frames, these are handpicked by the owner. Once you enter, you have this beautiful, spacious living area. You see the framework done over here. Every piece over here is an artifact in this apartment, beautifully handcrafted and handpicked by the owner himself. You have this amazing views of the fountain and Dubai Mall. Let's go and have a look at the other parts of the house. This is a cigar lounge area touch, where the apartment is giving you something very classy, very niche, and a beautiful touch to all the high net worth individual things. Once you enter over here, you have this area where you can think and ponder upon while your busy days are running by, and overlooking the fountain and Dubai Mall as well. Now let's go ahead. We have this beautiful 8-seater dining area. Again, all the cutlery is branded, handpicked by the owner himself. There's a lot that has gone into the making of this house because every piece is an artifact over here, meticulously crafted, again with the beautiful views of Dubai. You have this semi-closed kitchen, again fully fitted. All the appliances that you need in your house are available. Now let's check out our bedrooms. Let's go to our first bedroom. Again, that is fully furnished and all the furniture is all posh and niche. Come, let's enter. This is your ensuite bathroom. This is a queen size bed. You have the storage space over here and everything with the view of this beautiful fountain and Dubai Mall with all the high apartments. This is your second bedroom. Come, let's check. Again with the king size bed, ensuite bathroom and a storage space with the Burj Khalifa fountain view and Dubai Mall view. Now this apartment comes fully furnished. This is 1,888 square feet of a 2-bedroom apartment, and this is for sale in Burj Khalifa. If you also are looking for something like this, comment down price and I will reach out to you with all the prices and details.